The attending physician advised na kailangan siya for more advanced treatment kasi severe po yung injury ng eye ni Kim. Nagmadali po kaming mag-travel, moving here sa NCR to find institution na makatulong sa amin. So, in coordination with Lao Foundation, nirefer po kami dito in the sa Suchi po, eye center po. Kahit malayo yung kanilang barangay doon sa sentro ng Higmoto, Catanduanes, nag-travel talaga siya, mga around 15 to 20 minutes via top down yung everyday para lang makapag-aral. Marami siyang pangarap sa buhay. So this operation will be a very big impact for the child.
Sana maging successful yung ano niya. Kasi mahirap ang buhay ngayon, ma'am eh. Kasi wala kaming ibang mapagkunan.
So when we saw the patient, his whole medial part, this part of the eye was exposed, and his eye was exotropic or flanging out because the muscle was also cut. We wanted to do surgery right away, but he was not cleared for it. So he had pneumonia at the time. So we had no choice but to wait until he would be well enough to undergo general anesthesia. In the meantime, the eye developed a huge granuloma. So that's the healing process of the eye. There's a big lump that developed there. If you get trauma, the best thing to do is to have repair right away because the tissues are still identifiable. But once the body starts to repair it, everything gets scarred down. So it's hard to recognize the tissues, and it's hard to piece, you know, which one is the skin, which one is the muscle. They all just stick together like that. In the surgery, when we were finally able to do it, he had a hard time removing the granuloma and trying to look for the muscle that was lost. Fortunately, the tissues were reattached, and so he has regained function of the muscle, and little by little his eyes are getting to be perfectly aligned. And we were able to cover that area and remove the unsightly mass that was there. That would have been very disfiguring. So thank you very much to all the donors of Chuchi and all of the people who help here, because we're not going to be able to help him if you're not there for us also. This boy would have been disfigured, totally disfigured and ashamed. But now he looks with pride. He's able to go to school.
Maluwag ng isip ko at komportable na ako na yung anak ko nasa maayos ng yung mata niya habang buhay magiging normal siya. Sa pag nagbinata siya, kaya po talagang sa mga doktor na nagtiyaga sa anak ko na maayos yung mata niya, maibalik sa dati. Maraming salamat po.
Salamat sa Chuchi kasi tinulungan niyo kami na maayos ang mata ko. Makaka-pa-eskwela na ako. Kasi di na dugo yung paningin ko. Mag-aaral ako ng mabuti. Kasi pangarap ko maging seaman. 不管多难，爱是我的心。